Hey guys, Anne-Marie here. So Annapro sent me this A3 Max battery pack head strap. I'm going to unbox it completely for you, test it out, give you a full look. Let's get started. All right, here's a look at how it shows up. A very nice presentation here. Go ahead and take all of this out and the directions because we'll definitely be using those. All right, so taking a look at the directions here in a second, but let me just unbox everything for you. This is the battery. As you can see here, and I'll give you a full look all the way around. This will be where you will charge it. Here is the actual headpiece strap here. So we can see right off the bat, we do have some movability there, which is always a good thing. And on the back here, we've got padding, very nice, very soft, very cushy. And then we've also got padding as well right here. And I actually, right off the bat, can tell you this material here, if you can kind of see it, it's very soft. This is really, really nice feeling. So that's going to feel good on your head, I can already tell. And then we've got the tightening dial here. Okay, so let me go ahead and install this and then we're going to test this out. All right, I know you guys like watching installation, as do I, so I'm going to show you that really fast. It is super duper simple. So here I have my Quest 3 and I've already removed the straps off of this, so it's just the simple machine now. Okay, and what I want to do is I want to take the one side where this is going to connect to the charge here on my Quest 3, and then I'm just going to slide that right on there, and I'm going to slide it on the other side as well, just like that. Super duper simple, like piece of cake, which is great. And then I'm going to connect the computer to the battery like that. Okay, now it's all attached, so I can actually go ahead and put this on if I want to now. Okay, and this does come off as well if you don't prefer to have that on there, but I would personally, but it's completely up to you. Another thing is that it is adjustable, so this does come up like this, and that is good if you're like me and you wear a ponytail sometimes. You want to be able to adjust it around your hair, you can do that. So that does have adjustability. And then from there, while you're playing, you don't actually have to have the battery on if you don't want to. If yours is completely charged and you don't want to have that extra weight, you don't have to. And here is how you put the battery on, and you'll hear it power up, and that is it. So easy off, easy on, and it's magnetic. It just pops right on. So if you're playing, doing that one-handed should be a breeze to you. Here's a look at it completely installed. And now I'm going to, oh darn, play population 1 and test it out. Here we go. All right, so here you have this cushiony area here. This is very comfortable up underneath there. And I was mentioning the material before. I do think that's very important. And I do have a cushion back here, so it makes it very comfortable. Weight-wise, I don't feel like it's too bad. It's, you know, with the battery on, you do have a little bit of weight on there, but that's to be expected. And like I said, you can easily take it off, and now it's even more lightweight. It's completely up to you, but let's leave that on. Feels good there. Yeah, it feels really good. Doesn't feel like it's going to fall off my head or anything like that. It moves around a little bit, but I can tighten it to make it even more secure. All right, time to play. Got him. Thanks. All right, everybody. Well, that is it. I had a blast playing with this. So overall, I definitely find it to be very comfortable. I didn't feel like it was going to fall off my head whatsoever. I like the adjustability of it. I like the weight of it, and adding the battery to it is super duper simple. Removing it, very simple as well. So that's about it for me today. I just wanted to give you guys a full review of this head strap from Annapro. They made a great product here. If you are interested in it, I have included in the description box below a link directly to this product. And other than that, I appreciate you guys watching. If you like this channel, I do talk a lot about VR and I review a lot of products. Please consider subscribing and giving me a like today. Well, now that the review is over, you know what that means. I'm going to go test it out a little bit more and play some more VR. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.